In this video, we're going over 2 awesome case recommendations for the Samsung Galaxy S22. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne, and today I want to show you some really cool cases for your Samsung Galaxy S22. This awesome new series of the Samsung Galaxy is here, and you always want to make sure you get a great case to protect your investment. So I'm going to show you 2 cases today that I think will be great choices. The first case is the Taurus shockproof case. Let's take it out here so you can look at it. It's got a nice matte black look to it with a black edge. Pops right on nice and easy. It's got a nice cutout here that traces the light and the cameras. And one cool thing about this case is that it does have interchangeable buttons, so you can customize it. So it will come with the black buttons, and you can take these out and interchange it with these in case you like the orange or the green. So there's that. Now, a couple of cool things about this case. It is a military grade shockproof case. So guess what? This should be able to take a nice solid hit. If you drop the phone, it's going to protect your investment. The edge of the case is raised so that if your phone ever were to hit the ground, you have a little bit of a lip here so that your screen won't be touching the ground. So you always want cases that are not edge to edge with the screen, because if it ever were to hit the ground, then guess what? Your screen's going to get scratched. But because it's slightly raised, that means it'll protect your phone in the event that you drop it. So that's our first case. This one is available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave a link below in the description. And our second case is very similar to this case with an extra twist. So let's take off the first case, put on the second. So our second case here, this is the Mars Climber design. So still matte black finish, has that same edge cutout, still raised on the edge just like that on the front, but it has a kickstand. So nice solid kickstand you can pop out, have your phone sit in the landscape position or in the portrait position. I love a phone that already has a kickstand because, you know, I always find myself sitting and holding the phone and wanting to watch videos and scroll through, so it's always nice to have that. The price difference is not too much, so if you want the kickstand, it's going to be $25.99, and if you want the non-kickstand, it's going to be around the $19.99 price range. Now keep in mind that they do run sales frequently, and so you might catch these for even cheaper. So I'll have links below in the description if you want to check out these cases and you want to purchase one. I think these are 2 great options. Again, they're going to protect your investment, and all you're going to need now is a screen protector, and I'll also leave a link below to some screen protector recommendations. If you're going to spend the money for a quality phone like the S22, make sure you get a quality case and screen protector to protect your investment. If you found the video helpful, make sure you hit that like button down below. Consider subscribing so you can stay tuned for more videos we post, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thank you to Taurus for sending us these cases to check out, and you guys have a good one.